most discerning palates. It's quick, easy, and bursting with flavor, making it perfect for a weeknight meal or a weekend feast. Chickpeas offer a significant advantage over meat in terms of both health and environmental impact. They are naturally cholesterol-free and low in saturated fat, making them a heart-healthy choice. Their high fiber content aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Furthermore, chickpea cultivation requires significantly less water and land compared to meat production. I urge you to embrace the chickpea revolution. This humble legume holds the key to a world of culinary possibilities. It's time to ditch the misconception that meatless meals are bland and boring. With chickpeas as your guide, you can create dishes that are both delicious and nutritious. Try this spicy chickpea stir-fry and experience the transformative power of chickpeas firsthand. Share your culinary adventures with friends and family, spreading